The opportunities that Kuru provides for young people is a platform or stepping stone to get into the music industry. So we provide experience with sound technicians. We provide with promotion, actual stage behind me where young people can come and experience a crowd with the first gigs or a touring gig. So these quite a few opportunities in which we lend our facilities to.
Oedd e'n bwysig I fi agos yn lleol a cynnig gwasanaeth yn Sir Gar. A nifer o buddion o gweithio yn Sir Gar, mae fe'n agos I gytre ac yn agos I ble ges i'n magu.
I think we're really lucky here in Wales to have the opportunity to be able to speak and converse and work in 2 different languages, and it really sets you ahead of other people that are going for different jobs. So I definitely think it's of great benefit.
I'd advise never to turn down the chance of work experience or personal development training. Even a short one-day course can provide an insight into an area you may not have thought about and can lead you down a new and exciting career path.
Sgiliau Cymraeg wedi helpu yn y sector. Fel dwi'n dweud, dwi'n meddwl mae'n angerdd yw cyddoriaeth yn y iaith Gymraeg, ac felly mae gweithio trwy'r Gymraeg a gweld cyddoriaeth iaith Gymraeg yn mynd tu allan I Gymru yn rhyngwladol mae'n rhywbeth hynod y gyffrous a ddim wedi digwydd o blaen. Gen I un band o hyn o bryd sydd ar daith o gwmpas Pryden wedi gwerthu allan yn Rhydychen neithiwr. Maen nhw'n canu gyfan gwbl yn y Gymraeg.
There are opportunities in the green economy sector here and now, whether that is in horticulture and agriculture and local food supply chains, whether it's upskilling into in the construction and development industry, retrofit, plumbers, retraining to become air source heat pump fitters. There's so many exciting opportunities. And again, the opportunity, what would offshore wind bring us? So many different opportunities.
I think the main skill you need to be successful in the sector is the passion. Passion and work ethic is basically the only 2 things you need, because you can learn the technical sides along the way, and you know, even the top people who have been in the industry for years still slip up and make mistakes, and you still learn every day.
Dwi'n bendant am yn teinision I weithio yn Sir Gar. Gyda gyd, mae cymaint o hanes cyddoriaeth wych yma yn mynd ôl I dyddiau gorgis a cyn hynny. Sabrinsky, mae gen I cymaint o fandiau tystion sy'n dod o'r dre ac o Sir Gar. Ac hefyd dwi'n meddwl bod gweithio'n Sir Gar yn galluogi ni fel label I fod yn label mwy unigryw mewn ffordd.
Felly'r tip bydden ni yn dweud wrtho unrhyw unigolyn sydd moyn trial yn y maes yma yw mynd ar profiad gwaith. Mae profiad gwaith yn rheswm ddigonol mwyn creu perthynas na rhwngddo chi a'r cwmniodd I chi moyn gweithio gyda.